In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Grasscoin on the Phantom app. Let's dive right in and get started by opening the Phantom application. First things first, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you should be looking at your home page. Here, you'll notice your account balance, your various tokens, and a range of features that Phantom offers, such as the ability to receive, send, swap, and even buy cryptocurrencies right from within the app. Now, before we proceed with the swap transaction, it's important to verify that you have sufficient funds in your Solana balance. This is crucial because Solana is required to facilitate transactions like swapping on Phantom. If you find yourself without a balance, don't worry, it's quite simple to add funds. All you have to do is click on the Buy button in the app. From there, choose Solana as the cryptocurrency you'd like to purchase, enter the amount you wish to buy, and then make your payment using either a debit or credit card. This process should only take a few minutes, and once you've added funds, you're all set to proceed with swapping. With your balance in check, you're ready to attempt the swap. On your home page, look for and click on the Swap feature. In the swap interface, there'll be a section labeled You Pay. This is where you search for the token you want to swap. In this case, Grasscoin. If for some reason you can't find Grasscoin when you search for it, it could be due to insufficient funds or connectivity issues. Ensure that your account is adequately funded, as having enough funds will enable you to view and select Grasscoin from the list. Once Grasscoin is visible, simply click on it to select it. You'll then need to enter the amount you wish to pay. Make sure to double-check this amount to avoid any errors. When you're ready, click on the Swap button, and the application will guide you through the necessary prompts you need to follow. These prompts help in confirming the transaction details, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. After completing these steps, give it a moment, and you'll be redirected back to your home page. You should then be able to see the updated status of your transaction. With that, you've successfully sold Grasscoin on the Phantom app. This process is pretty easy once you get the hang of it, and you'll find that using these features on Phantom becomes second nature. Remember to always check your balances and make sure everything is in order before attempting any swaps or transactions. Happy swapping, and see you in the next video.